Hello dear students, today I want to start the new topic, that is finding the value of an expression. So how to find the value of an expression? Okay, first, so take an example, x plus 5. So this is one expression. Okay, so how to find out the value of this expression? They already given the expression, so I will give as the x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 I have given. So this is the value of x. Just put the value of x in this expression, you will get the value of this expression, x plus 5. So x value is 2, that is 2 plus 5. So what is the answer? Answer is 7. Just put the value, you will get the value of that expression. So take up another one, 2x minus 5. Okay, so here x equals to minus 1. So take x value as a minus 1 and put the value of x here, minus 1. So 2 into, so here minus 1 is there. So take in a bracket. 2 into minus 1 minus 5. So 2 into 1, 2. Here plus and there is no sign, it's plus sign. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 2 and minus 5 as this. So here the numbers are having same sign. So you have to add the numbers and keep the sign as is. 2 plus 5 7 and sign is minus. So answer is minus 7. So this is the way of finding the value of an expression. Here value is given, value of that variable. Okay. So take the another one. E square plus 2ab plus b square. So here value I will take a equals to 2, b equals to 3. Okay, a equals to 2, b equals to 3. So just put the values. So a value 2, that is 2 square plus 2 into a value is 2, isn't it? So 2 and b value is 3. Just put the values plus b value is 3 square. So add 2 square. You have to multiply into how many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Plus, you should multiply 3 square means what? Write this one? 3 square. Multiply 3 2 times. 3 3s are how much? 9. So now add 4 plus 12 how much? 16. 16 plus 9, 25. This is the way of finding value of expression whenever they given the value of a variables. So take another example. X cube minus 3x square y minus y square. So here y values are, take y values, x value is 1, y value is minus 1. So minus 1. This one is minus 1. Okay. So take the values. X value is 1. So put the value 1 cube minus 3 into x square 1 square into y value is minus 1. So write down in bracket minus y value is minus 1 square. Okay. So now 1 cube 1 raised to anything, you will get the answer as 1 only. 1 raised to 3, 1 raised to 4, 1 raised to 5. Write down any number in the power place when base is 1. The answer is 1 only. 1 raised to q means 1 only. So 1. Next, here also 1. 3 into 1. So minus 1 as this. Next, this is minus as this. Minus 1 raised to 2. Here minus sign is there. So I already explained that one. Minus 1 raised to even number. Even number equals to what you get the answer? Minus 1 raised to even number. The power should be even number means answer is 1 only. If it is an odd number, means, so what is the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. So here minus 1 raised to 2. 2 is the even number or odd? Even number. So answer is 1. So answer is 1. So now solve this one. 1 3 into 1, 3. Again 1, 3. But here minus into minus, we have to multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. Again 3. Minus 1 as is. So 1 minus 1, 0. So gets cancelled. Remaining number is 3. This is the way of finding the value of an expression whenever they give the values of variables. Okay, let's go to the exercise 4.3. First one, if m equals to 2, find the value of the expressions. Total 5 questions are there. I have taken 4 questions. Okay, so solve this one. You should put the value of m equals to 2. So put it 2 minus 2. What will get the answer? 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. You will get the answer 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So next, m equals to 2. You have to put the value m equals to 2 for all these expressions. So 3 into 2 minus 5. Okay. So what will get the answer? 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So next. So here m value equals to 2. So 2 into 2 square. Next. Otherwise take it as a bracket. So next minus 2 into 2 only. Next minus 7. So what I get answer? 3 into 2 square means 4. Next 2 2s are 4. Minus 7 as is. Okay. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus. Here both numbers are having same sign. So just add 11. What about the sign? Both are having same sign means minus. So what you get the answer? 12 minus 7. Answer is 1. So 4 fifth one, here they didn't give the sign, I have taken the minus sign. Okay. So solve this one. 5m value equals to 2. So 5 into 2 divided by 2 minus 4. Okay. So here cancellation possible. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. So remaining number is 5. 5 into 1, 5. Here divided by 1 is as 5 minus 4. Very simple. Okay. Next, one question I have left. Write yourself. So second one also that is also same. P value equals to minus 2. Just find the value of expression. Okay. So how to find out this one? Just put the value equals to 2. So 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So put the value minus 2. 4 into 2, 8. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 8 plus 7. So here numbers are having different sign. If the numbers are having different sign, that means you have to subtract the number and keep the bigger number sign. So bigger number is 8. Sign is minus. So answer should be minus 1. So 8 minus 7, 1. And bigger number sign is minus. So answer is minus 1. So next, second question, write yourself third one, minus 2p2. Okay, so put the values 2 into p value is minus 2. Cube. Next, 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Okay. So first here minus sign is there. So I already told that minus 1. So you can write it as a minus 1. You can write minus 2 as minus 1 into 2. Isn't it? We can write minus 2 as minus 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2. Minus into plus minus. So we will get minus 2. And minus 1 raised to cube. I have to explain that one. Minus 1 raised to odd number equals to minus 1. So the answer should be minus 1. 2 cube. How to write cube? You should multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. So 2 cube. Otherwise minus 2 cube. How to write this one? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So first multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. So I will put that answer should be minus. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. So answer is 4. Next, 4 2s are 8 plus into minus minus. So minus 8 plus 7 answers. Okay. So now multiply this one. 2 8s are 16. Minus into minus plus. So answer is 16. 3 4s are 12. That is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. So first add the positive numbers and negative numbers also. 16 plus 7 23. So here also number 7 same sign, just add it and keep the sign. 20. 23 minus 20, answer is 3. Very simple question, sir. Okay, just put the value of variable in the expression, you will get the value of that expression. So directly I have taken 9th question. Why? Because next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all questions are same. Just they already given the variable values. So just put that variable values in the expression. You will get the value of that expression. All questions are same. Okay. Just they given the different numbers. So 9 1. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5? When x equals to 0. So what are we given? So we should find out the value of a and what is the data they given? 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5. Equal to 5 when x equals to 0. Here x value 0 they given. Just find the value of e. Just find the value of e. Okay. So how to find out the value of a? First put the value x equals to 0. So 2 into 0 raised to 2 plus 0 only minus a equals to 5. Okay. So 0 square means 0 only. 2 into 0 means 0. This is also 0. So minus a equals to 5. Finally your answer will get minus a equals to 5. Minus a equals to 5. But you want the value of a. Here minus 9. So how to do that? Just multiply minus to both the sides. Here minus sign is 0, minus sign. So just multiply minus 1 to both the sides. 5 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 into a only. So 5 into 1 5 plus into minus minus. So a value is minus 5. Very simple. Okay. So next one, simplify the expression and find its value when a equals to b equals to 3. That is also same. Just write yourself. So 10 1 last value is there. So a equals to 5 and b equals to minus 3. So expression is 2 into a square plus eb plus 3 into 3 minus eb. So put the values. A equals to 5. 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3. So use this 3. Why? Because we already use this law. Okay. Plus 3 minus e value is 5 into minus 3. So put the values. You already put the values. So find out the final answer. 5 square is 25. Multiply 5 2 times. 25. 5 3s are 50. Plus into minus minus 15. So next this one plus 3 as is minus into minus plus 5 into 3 50. So now find the value. 2 into 25 minus 15 10. So 2 into 10 3 plus 15 18. 2 into 10 20 plus 18. So you will get the answer as 38. Okay, this finishes exercise 12.3. If you have any doubt, I will clear that one. So here I will explain only two second main, first, second, 9th and 10th. Remaining 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. 6 main questions are there. Write yourself.